The last 2 years have seen a record high surge in people seeking their first homes, with first-time homeowners making up more than a third of all home buyers in the last 12 months. Joining us now to discuss everything you need to know about home maintenance is the home care expert at Thumbtack, David Steckel. Welcome to the show.
The results just came in from a national survey, and overwhelmingly, homeowners are feeling like maintaining their home is sort of like having a second job. So the average cost of maintenance is coming in around $5,000, but Portland is up near the highest at around $6,000. But one way to think about this is it's actually an investment into your home, because what we found based on our data is that a well-maintained home is going to sell for approximately 10% more than a similar home in average condition. Your home is your most valuable asset, so you should be planning for the expected, and Thumbtack's here to help you do that. So all you need to do is download the app, and there we'll create a seasonal maintenance guide for you that's personalized to your home, where we'll be recommending things for you to do months in advance. We'll also allow you to book a pro in seconds on our on-demand booking features. And all of that is free. But if you're looking for more of a velvet glove experience, we do have our membership offering, which gives you access to one-on-one expert advice, discounts on many of the projects, and so much more for just $50 a year.
Thanks, Nicole, David, and our sponsors at Thumbtack. It's now time for a break, but